Hi and welcome to Activity 5 of the Edexcel IGCSE 2000 paper. So in this activity it's about using presentation software. That of course is PowerPoint. Karen wants a slideshow to encourage members of other fitness clubs to enter the competition. She has produced a text slide saved as pentathlon. Okay, let me find that. Pentathlon here, so there's already a PowerPoint slide to use. Using the settings on the master slide. She wants 3 other slides in the presentation. These are her original design, so titles at the top. So these are the placeholders. Title slide has the information with the logo on the bottom left. Title slide, text on the left, image on the right. Logo on the bottom corner, and you need to use the information of the competition in text and the images in graphics. So first part says open slide presentation pentathlon. Okay, and it says enter task PS1 and your name in the footer on the notes handouts. Okay, so insert, header, footer, notes handouts, we go to footer, and I'll write task PS1, and I'll put my full name and candidate details. Okay, apply to all. It says save as activity 5, so file, save as. So open new document, enter task PS1 and your name, and save it as task PS1. File, new, because I'm having problems there trying to create. That didn't open. File, new, there. Weird, but why is that not working? File, new, there we go. Okay, so insert, footer, click, we'll put task PS1, delete the middle part, and in the right we'll write my full name. Okay, and we'll save this as file, save as, and task PS1. Always make sure you save each file individually because you may need it later. Okay, I'm going to minimize that. Oh, I didn't need to close that. Edit the master slide to make changes to the settings in the presentation. So the blue background is too dark, so change it to a more suitable shade. So it says master slide, so I go to view, slide master. Always use the parent at the very top. Right click and format background. So right click, format background. Then we go down to color. Let's change it to a lighter blue. There we go. The logo is not on the master slide at present, so you need to add it. So add the logo to the bottom left corner. So I'm going to add that logo. It's too big, so make it smaller. And the bottom left corner, like so. Change the default font to sans serif. Now sans serif is Arial, serif is Times New Roman. If we have a look, this is a serif font because it's got the little serifs at the bottom or top of each letter. If I select it all, Control A, I go to Home and type Arial. We then don't have those little feet. This is a sans serif font, it's without the serifs. There it says, edit your name and candidate number in the center footer area of the master slide. Add the slide number to the right. Okay? So again, we want to go to Insert. And in the center area, of course, I want my name. And I want slide number. and slide number is on the right, which is good. Apply to all, it's there. If I have to, I just have to move it. But of course, always, when you do this, tick it to make sure it's shown. If you don't tick, then it won't do it, okay? Let's say display the slide master on screen, make sure the whole slide is visible, paste the screenshot into task PS1, identify changes you've made. Also, the other thing as well, make sure you move the text to the left so you've got space for the image so they don't overlap. Okay? Always look at this as well. There we go. And maybe I'll just make this a bit smaller as well. May not tell you, but just helps you. Okay, so then use the snipping tool, new, copy that into here, and how many does it want? It's got, it says, identify changes you've made. Okay, so changes made, background made lighter to make it easier to read. Heading is a larger font size to make it more distinct from the rest of the text. Okay, and then we just go back and it says resave, and resave all and print PS1. So resave this, so we go file and save, and then file and print. Okay, so I'm going to close that, and we also have to resave this, Control S. And then it says your task is to produce 3 other slides using information, the text and graphics and the layout shown in Karen's original design. You do not have to use all the text. Okay, slide 2 for features or competition, slide 3 for prizes and gifts, slide 4 to find out information. Okay, so the first slide, of course, we can see is this. So I go slide master and close. So, okay, this is all right, I believe. Yes, good. The next one is about, so we need 3 other slides. The next slide is features of competition. Prizes and gifts. And more information. Okay, you've got to try and work out what to write. Now, over here, describe features of the competition. Okay, let's open up the text file. I think I've already got it open. There we go. Features. So we don't need them all. Let's have a look. We don't need this. For more information, features, well, this is going to be features, and this here as well. So I would say these 2 areas are what we might want. So paste it all in. Now there's a lot of information there. Oops. So I'm going to highlight this data, this writing I should say, and indent it. And again, we've got sections here. Do we really want that? Okay, so of course we've got a lot of information there. So let's remove this, and we're going to go back to the text file, and instead of having all the ages there, let's just have half distances for under 16s and over 60s, and then finally over here there's one about entries welcome, non-members of fitness as well, welcome as well, so we can put that in. Okay, like so. And you can just make that smaller as well, so it fits. Now, one thing I have noticed is they're all going across the whole page. So if I just go to View and Slide Master, you shouldn't have done that. But if we go down to the third one, oh no, you shouldn't have done. If it does, just move that over a bit so it doesn't, so you don't have a problem when you're putting the image in, so it doesn't overlap. Just make that smaller so you can see it. Prizes, that's pretty easy. There is, so if I go to the text file and scroll down, it says prizes here and gifts as well, so I can copy this, paste, and we'll indent this because it tells us what the prizes are. We'll indent this because it tells us what the gifts are. Okay, and let's just check the font here. That's 18. We'll make it one more smaller just to make it fit. And then finally, more information. Of course, we want them to contact Karen Bales. Paste that in, maybe make that a colon there, and indent this writing in here. And I remember this has got to be 18, so I need to make this smaller. 1, 2, there we go. And now I need some pictures in there. So I go to my text file, and let's find some images. Now, here's a picture of Karen, so we'll copy that. That's a great picture to contact. And we'll make that a bit bigger. Oh, wrong page. That's on features. She's not a feature. She's more information. Prizes and gifts. So we've got different ones. Tell you what, let's put some of these photographs in there. Okay, like that. And features as well. Copy. Like so. And if we go back, it says print a copy in handout view with 2 sides per page. I think this is the last task actually. No, it's not. So print, resave and then print as handout. So Control S, and then we go File and Print as a handout. So we go print, page size, 2 per page, like so, and we just go print. Okay? And then on the next part, I'm going to close this. No, I don't. And it says open a new document in word processing software. File, new, because I'm having a problem doing it normally. It says task PS2 in the footer, so insert, footer, and we go task PS2, delete the middle, and then put your name, like so, and file and save as task PS2. And it tells me Karen wants to encourage 11 to 14-year-old girls to enter the competition. Change slide 3 to make it more appealing. Take a screenshot what changes you made. So this is slide 3. What can I do in slide 3? Perhaps probably the simple thing would be, is we're going to select all and we'll change the font. Maybe add I'm just checking here. For me, 11 to 14-year-olds, maybe also have a look at the picture. Is there a picture that relates more to kids? Not really. So change the font size there. You could perhaps change the color as well. So then what we'll do is we'll then take a screenshot, like so, paste it in, and we'll say that we changed the font size, the font face, I should say. We changed the font face of the writing to make it more suitable for a different audience. And next one, in document task PS2, explain how your changes you've made will make it more appealing but also I've changed the font face. Perhaps also actually let's change the background. If there's no demand, if it's for girls, perhaps can we change the background to like a pinky color? Like so. Okay, so we'll do that as well. We'll change that. Okay. Change the font size, make it, and the background. This will suit the needs of teenagers better. Okay. And Karen wants to change the presentation so that once started it runs continuously. Okay, so save it as activity 5A, 5 save as 5A, save. Then I'm going to just go back. It's a change presentation that runs continuously without user intervention. Take screenshots on how this is done and how changes you've made will enable the presentation to run continuously. Okay, so paste screenshots of what you did. Now, go to slideshow, setup show, and we say loop until escape. Actually want it to loop forever, one of which would be about having rehearsed timing. So if we click on here, so I'm rehearsing the timings, and then all I'll do is set up show and I'll loop continuously, and I'm going to paste a screenshot of this into my Word document like so. And going back, it should also have using timings as well. So on here, I have added timings to the presentation to enable it to run continuously from start to end, and then ticked the box to make it loop forever. Okay, and going back, resave as task, resave task, resave task PS2 and print, so it fits on one page. If it does, and so we just resave it, Control S, file, print, and we print that off. And then of course we can save this one here, save, and close that. Thank you very much for watching. Do hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you next time.